call me the marsh girl. The one who grew up alone in the wild.
I had seen you a couple times when I was out fishing. You can't live alone in the marsh forever.
Watch me.
All right. You know I'm going away soon.
What do you want with me?
Now, I want to get to know you better. I know people have disappointed you, but I'm going to take care of you.
I'm Chase's fiance.
I can explain. He's not good enough for you. Wait,
You're the one who left me. You're not deciding anything about me. In nature, there are no laws. Only survival.